is the script for reviewing the Skytech Gaming Nebula Gaming PC. Are you tired of slugging along with last year's gaming rig, barely scraping by in 1080p? Well, buckle up because today we're going to talk about a game changer, the Skytech Gaming Nebula Gaming PC. This beast of a machine is packing some serious punch, and I'm excited to dive into all its specs and features. First off, let's talk about the CPU. It's an AMD Ryzen 7 7700 processor, clocking in at 3.8 GHz with a turbo boost of 5.3 GHz. That means you can get silky smooth performance even when running multiple resource-intensive games at once. But what does that actually mean? Think of it like this: your CPU is the brain of your computer, handling all the calculations and tasks for your games. The Ryzen 7 7700 is one of the fastest consumer-grade CPUs on the market, giving you a serious edge over lower-end options. Next up, we have the graphics card, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 8GB of GDDR7 memory. Now, I know what you're thinking: what's the difference between GDDR7 and regular RAM? Well, let me break it down for you. GDDR7 is a special type of memory designed specifically for graphics cards, allowing them to handle massive amounts of data at incredibly high speeds. In plain English, that means your games will look way more detailed and realistic, with smoother performance overall. And trust me, it shows. I've been running some of the most demanding titles at ultra settings, and the results are stunning. Moving on to memory, we have 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is plenty for even the most intense gaming sessions. The key thing here is that the graphics card uses a lot of memory, so having enough RAM helps keep performance smooth. Plus, with heat spreaders integrated into the design, you can rest assured your system stays cool and quiet. Now, let's talk about storage. This machine comes equipped with a 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, which is like having an entire library of games at your fingertips. The NVMe part refers to a type of solid-state drive that's significantly faster than traditional hard drives. We're talking up to 30x faster. That means loading times are almost non-existent, and you can jump straight into the action without delay. And don't even get me started on cooling. This system features a high-performance air cooler with maximum airflow and ARGB fans. You won't hear any whirring or rattling noises from this beast. It's as quiet as a mouse. Sorry, had to. Now, let's take a look at the ports. We have 2 HDMI and 1 DisplayPort, which should cover most of your monitor needs. Plus, with USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports galore, you can connect all sorts of peripherals and accessories. One thing to note is that this system doesn't come with bloatware, no unwanted software or trials to slow down your machine. You get what you pay for, folks. In terms of connectivity, we have Wi-Fi 800 2.11 AC, which should provide reliable coverage even in the most crowded spaces. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the operating system. This baby runs on Windows 11 Home 64-bit, giving you access to all your favorite games and software out of the box. As I said at the beginning, this machine is capable of running some serious games at ultra settings. Imagine playing Call of Duty or Fortnite with stunning visuals and smooth performance. It's a dream come true for any gamer. And here's the best part: you can get your hands on this incredible gaming PC for an unbeatable price. Just head to the link below, and I'll walk you through how to score this deal. Alright, folks, that concludes our review of the Skytech Gaming Nebula Gaming PC. If you're tired of mediocre gaming experiences and want to take your gaming to the next level, look no further. This beast is waiting for you. Trust me when I say it's worth every penny.